Hey, I'm Sarah. This is Behind the Design, and I'm sharing my top 3 favorite design features in each room from Sarah Off the Grid Season 2.
Let's talk about the first episode of the second season of Sarah Off the Grid. You've seen it. What'd you think? Did you like it? What'd you think about the bedrooms? Now, I have to think about what my favorite things are in each room. I think my favorite thing is the wallpaper because I have never wrapped wallpaper up and over a ceiling before. I have often been challenged by slope ceilings in a bedroom, but never before have I actually decided just to wrap it up and over. And I was worried it was going to be too busy, but you know what? I don't think it is. I think it actually really works. Second favorite things, I'm totally in love with the DIY headboards because all of the materials were free. I literally, in case it wasn't clear enough on the show, I literally scavenged the site. We found leftover plywood for the backing, leftover rough barn board that had come out of the barn for the actual headboards, and even the trim pieces, we just used some leftover bits of trim. So this was a freebie Friday kind of project, totally my kind of project. And then I think my third favorite thing is the vintage pieces. So I found this pair of dressers when I was out shopping with Tommy one day, and we ended up using one as the bedside table between 2 twin beds. And I think this is a really great solution because if you have 2 twin beds and you want one table surface to share, there's enough room to put a lamp on each side so everybody gets their own bedside lamp. But it also gives great storage, and storage is always key. In other vintage elements, I also love the Octagonal Rattan chair. I found it at one of my favorite consignment shops for $120. It had a cushion on it, so literally all I had to do was paint it white and give it a new cushion cover. So that's the gray and green room.